Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is February the 7th and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. This system is great for scalping, especially when you combine both the super signal indicator, that's the one with the arrows, and the Heiken and Ashi candles. You'll get a pop-up alert, this box right here suggesting either buy or sell, and you'll also get an audio alert. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, that's New York time, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision, want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow just to remind me. Personally, I really don't need it, but I put it there to show you guys what my daily trade plan is suggesting. On this day, this trade, it said to buy, so that's why you see an up arrow. Now we can take a look at that daily trade plan. There's a lot of trading to be done and still available for today, as it is only 8:40 in the morning. You only need 1 to 3 hours maximum. At least that's all I need. Get into trades, manage the trades, and close out the trades and be done for the day. As you can see, this daily trade plan is a great tool to have, as it points you in the right direction, as it tabulates all the higher time frames, calculates whether you should be buying and or selling. And of course you also have to look at the charts and make sure everything is going in the right direction. If you have any questions on this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me, and all my contact information is right below this video. Another great tool to have, it's my Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is click on this link right here, and you would just go from swing low to swing high, and of course just wait for the pullback. Did come back to this entry number 3, and usually if it hits 1, 2, or 3, the target on those 3 entries usually will make it to 2, 3, 4, 5, and many times it'll go further. It can go all the way up to number 10 here. It's a great tool to have along with that daily trade plan, as it really helps you with your entries and of course with your targets. And the reason why this tool works is that millions of traders all around the world are using Fibonacci. If you have any questions about this, well, quite simple again, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on these trades. First one, this Euro Yen, we're just going to drag and drop this up. The trade did qualify. Let me remove the Fibonacci. So the trade did qualify for a great way to trade. There's your arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal. Well, how many things do you need to tell you to buy? Actually, everything on the top and the bottom was saying to buy, so I bought it, and I closed it out here, locking in 11 pips, and those 11 pips paid out $74. Moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Okay, let's see first of all where I got in at. Wanted to be selling this one. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal. Did qualify for a great way to trade. It's a super easy system to use. Highly accurate. It is for me, as I know how to read the charts. That's something that you will have to learn. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here, being happy, locking in 14 pips, and that paid out $111. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education. I can give you a lot of education. And don't forget, you'll need that daily trade plan. Now, you must think like you are learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only about a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets. I'll do that in a free Skype call. And of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Okay, let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Candles were red. Everything was looking good for going down. So I sold it at this point. I ended up locking in. Looks like 20 pips, and those pips paid out $156. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. Arrow, super signal, Heikin-Ashi, did qualify for a great way to trade. So it pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5, and the calculator says it's approximately 72. So let's go and see if we can find those 72. There it is right there. 72 ticks, and that paid out $362. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 20, and the calculator says it's approximately 40. So let's see now. Super signal, saying to buy, daily trade plan, candles, down at the bottom, everything is perfect. Did qualify for a great way to trade, so I took the trade at this point. What did I say? It's about 40. So let's go and look for those 40. You remove the last 2 digits, so it's 40 ticks, and that paid out $810. Moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to try to get the reading, and so I took the money, divided it by 3.75. That's what it pays for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Got some arrows, super signal, daily trade plan, candles, plenty of things saying to buy. So calculator says it should be 220 ticks. There it is. That's the reason why I drop it down to the 5 minutes. 220 ticks, and that paid out $825. Love trading with my magic scalper system. It is truly a simple system, easy to use. The rules are very simple, not too complicated for getting in and then managing the trades and then closing out the trades. So let's take a look at the last trade, which is, let's see now, the Russell. Let's go and check that one out. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything looking perfect, top and bottom. Arrow, daily trade plan. So since it pays $10 for each tick, easy to see, this should be 123. So from there to there should show 123. There it is right there, 123 ticks, paying out $1,230. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks, mainly because of the DAX 30. Added up all the pips and ticks, and it came to a grand total of 500. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,569. So if your system's not producing like my Magic Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy anything, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner and the word more. All you got to do is click on it. It'll open up another window with my contact information and a lot of other information. You can pick up the phone and call me directly if you live close enough, or you can send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype, as I made it easy for you. There's a link. All you got to do is click on it. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, you click on it. If you have a cell phone or laptop or tablet, pretty much anything that's connected to the internet, we will have a Skype connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions. Please read everything down below this video. You'll also see that there's 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least 3 of them. Made it easy for you. If you special offer, if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.